Welcome to QlikView's Omni-channel analytics demo. Omni-channel analytics combines data from all shopping channels across a retailer and all of the supply chain systems which support their shopping channels. Today, most retailers are trending towards selling and fulfilling through different shopping channels, such as retail stores, online stores, mobile stores, call centers, catalogs, wholesale, etc. However, the systems at most retailers operate each channel as a separate business. Therefore, it becomes quite challenging for a retailer to achieve a consolidated view of customers, sales, inventory, supply chain, etc. because each of these businesses are in different silos, and each supporting channel is also not talking to each other. The dashboard on your screen focuses on retail omnichannel analytics across both the supply chain and customer sales categories. All channels of a retailer's sales and supply chain are related to one another using QlikView's associative in-memory engine. Let us start looking at how we can analyze this dashboard. The opening dashboard shows transactions across sales performance, and the percentage of returns across all the channels of a retailer. These channels are retail, online store, call center, mobile, and catalog. In most retailers, the different channels operate as separate businesses, with simply the supply chain supporting each channel. As a result, retailers struggle with the ability to achieve a common view of sales, inventory, and supply chain visibility across all channels. In the QlikView dashboard, you can see all the information presented to you across all silos of data sources in one single view. Now, QlikView is an interactive dashboard. This means you can ask questions of your data and get answers almost instantly. Let's see how that's done. First things first, the data in this dashboard is assumed as of December 2014. Now when you look at this dashboard, you'll see the KPIs for current year versus previous year for the sales figures across retail, online, call center, mobiles, and catalogs. Overall, the retailer is performing better than last year, but the online store is not performing up to expectations. Let us investigate why. To understand why this is happening, you need to click the Sales tab. Notice the users can see the top sellers for all channels as well as for each individual channel and make comparisons. On the bottom of the sheet, the user can see the top selling sales class, including both sales margin and the top performers. Now, since our research is focused on the online store, we will make a selection at the online store. You can see that the top selling retail category is home electronics. Select home electronics from the selection box. You'll see that when I make a selection on the chart, all the data is filtered for home electronics. On making the selection, the data drills down to show me that LCD LED flat panels are the largest sales for home electronics. When I select on LCD LED flat panel, my data is filtered again for both these selections. QlikView is therefore interactive. It guides you through a journey through your data. This means that the user will search and compute any field and the data will filter by itself. This allows users full flexibility to do any analysis. Coming back to our use case, we go back. You can see that the 55-inch LED TVs have a huge amount of returns. Now we want to investigate why for the online business the 55-inch TVs have huge returns. I make a selection on that and then I go into the returns. On clicking the returns sheet, right away you will notice that a large number of returns as a percentage of sales come from the online store in comparison to the other channels. There has to be a reason for these large number of returns. When you look around the data set, you will notice that all these returns belong to vendor 113. Now our merchandising team needs to reach out to vendor 113 to see what the problem with these products is. We also need to make sure that the vendor provides an accurate description of the features and benefits of their product so that the customer's expectations are set straight. This will prevent them from returning goods once delivered. Now click on the customer sheet and you will notice that the same selections are retained across the application. In the customer sheet, you will notice the list of customers who have bought the set of products we've selected and the price they've spent for it. This includes some wholesale customers and some probably retail customers. In many cases, products bought online means customers do not know how to use the product. This allows us an overview of identifying those customers if they know their usage properly. This could also minimize the number of returns. As you can see, with a simple few clicks, QlikView allows you to make decisions based on data by identifying relationships which you never knew existed. What's more, QlikView allows you to discover insights in your data in a very collaborative way. You can choose to start a live session with a group of people collaborating together on the same dashboard, or you can bookmark the data and send notes. For more insights on the retail Omnichannel analytics dashboard, go to www.demo.qlik.com and download the application. Thank you for listening to the demo.